The objective of the forum, according to officials, is to support researchers that are working on antimicrobial resistance, on how to use modern technology to fight emerging drug resistance on disease caused by bacteria. Dr. Bannerman spearheads the initiative.
We are focusing on tuberculosis, which is a big problem now worldwide, and on other bacterial diseases. It's the same methodology that we are showing on how we can identify drug targets, and for the current drugs that we are also using right now, how they can be repurposed so that they are more effective.
The objective of the forum, Dr. Banama further explains that it will help governments and relevant stakeholders make informed decisions on the health of the population.
To be able to engage properly with the governments. And we want our researchers to understand, they are health researchers, we want them to understand the health priorities in the nation, and not just to do the research in the lab, but also have that long-term goal and focus objective of how the population, the rural population, the urban population, the country can benefit from ongoing research activities in health.
The Medical Research Council's Unit Director, Professor Umberto, and other speakers all underscored the importance of the collaboration to share best practices and enhance knowledge to improve healthcare delivery.
This is a great opportunity to push this move towards a more complex way of doing things, more complex thinking, and well, I hope that this workshop is going to be beneficial for everybody. So the unit has sort of vocation for collaborating with other West African institutions, African institutions, and we really like to open up our doors to everybody who wants to collaborate with us.
It is really important that we're able to discover new drugs in order to prevent the spread of antimicrobial resistance. So this workshop is geared towards the discovery of new antibiotics, and this is done through what we call whole genome sequencing. So we are using the latest tools to analyze the genome of the circulating bacteria and then to detect new areas in which can be targeted.
Dr. Samila Jah of WHO and the British High Commissioner to the Gambia were also appreciative of the development.
Detection is a main problem, and then also when it comes to treatment and monitoring, we are losing some of these patients into the community, and then it's spreading. Also, the hospitals are not equipped with the correct procedures for infection prevention and control, so it is a big concern.
So I had the honour to meet Professor Sir Tom Blundell and Dr. Bridget yesterday, and I'm most grateful to them, to the SRA, MRC unit, TheGambia, University of Cambridge, Royal Society, ARIF, CRI. You've got a huge number of allies, supporters and enthusiasts for scientific research in Africa.
The 3-day forum is part of global efforts to promote healthcare delivery by identifying microbial drug targets. Khadijatu Jallow reporting for GRTS News.